Hello dear friend, I'm Lisa. How are you? Today I have a good news for you. We are offering a bigger promotion in September now. This promotion only happened in September, so we strongly advise if you were not in a nervous financially, will you please support me to commit a relaxed order? Because this promotion only happened in September, and you need to wait next September. This is for the promotion details checklist. For example, if your order can reach to $10,000, we will have the 250 off for you, and we also can give you the 10% consumer accessories for you. Hope you can enjoy this